Using a Wise digital card abroad can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. To get started, you will need to sign up for a Wise account and order a digital card. This can be done online or through the Wise mobile app. Once you have received your digital card, you will need to activate it and set up a PIN. This can be done in the Wise app by going to the card section and following the prompts. You will also need to fund your Wise account with the currency of your choice. When using your Wise digital card abroad, you can use it to make purchases online or in person, just like you would with a traditional credit or debit card. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. Wise charges a small fee for ATM withdrawals, but it is often lower than the fees charged by traditional banks. One of the benefits of using a Wise digital card is that it does not charge foreign transaction fees. This means that you will not be charged extra for making purchases in a foreign currency. Wise also offers competitive exchange rates, which can help you save money on international transactions. To use your Wise digital card abroad, simply add the card to your mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, or use the physical card to make purchases. You can also use the Wise app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances while traveling. It is also important to note that Wise digital cards are accepted by most merchants worldwide, including online retailers and brick-and-mortar stores. However, it is always a good idea to have a backup card or source of funds in case of an emergency. Overall, using a Wise digital card abroad can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of your Wise digital card and enjoy a hassle-free trip.